In the world of cryptocurrencies, choosing the right exchange can become a real headache. Hundreds of platforms offer their services, but how do you find one that is reliable, user-friendly, and profitable? Mistakes when choosing an exchange can lead to a loss of time, nerves, and even your assets. In this video, I will talk about the top 5 best cryptocurrency exchanges that stand out for their security, functionality, and bonus offers for beginners. You will learn which platforms are perfect for trading, investing, or withdrawing funds. Don't forget to check the description below the video. There you will find links and promo codes that will help you get nice bonuses when registering. Let's get started. 5th place, Bybit. Bybit is a platform geared towards professional traders who seek advanced tools and high reliability. Since its launch in 2018, the exchange has gained recognition for its stability, order execution speed, and user-friendly interface. One of the key advantages of Bybit is the ability to trade derivatives with leverage up to 100. This makes the platform popular among experienced traders looking to maximize their profits. It also features an advanced order system, including limit, market, and conditional orders, allowing for flexible management of trading strategies. Bybit places special emphasis on security. The exchange uses cold storage for assets, minimizing the risk of hacking, and has implemented two-factor authentication to protect user accounts. Register on Bybit right now using the link in the description and receive bonuses by entering the promo code displayed on the screen. By the way, if you want to get free trading signals, share experiences, and chat with like-minded people, be sure to join our Telegram channel and trading chat. There, we discuss strategies, trends, and share the latest news from the world of cryptocurrencies. You can find the link to the Telegram or scan the QR code in the description. 4th place, WEEX. WEEX is a young but rapidly growing cryptocurrency exchange that focuses on speed and convenience in trading. One of the main reasons traders choose WEEX is its low fees. The platform charges only 0.1% for spot trading, and the maker fee on the futures market is just 0.2%, which is significantly lower than most competing platforms. The platform is designed for simplicity and efficiency. The exchange's interface is intuitive, and all major operations can be performed with just a few clicks. For users who prefer mobile trading, WEEX offers a convenient app that includes all the main features, including spot and futures trading, copy trading, and P2P transactions. One of WEEX's key advantages is the ability to conduct secure transactions without mandatory verification, making the exchange appealing to users who value anonymity. Join WEEX through the link in the description, and don't forget to use the promo code to receive nice bonuses. 3rd place, OKX. OKX is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges, consistently ranking in the top 10 global platforms by trading volume. It attracts users not only with high liquidity, but also with a wide range of tools, including spot trading, derivatives, options, and P2P transactions. Professional traders particularly value OKX for its integration with TradingView, allowing for detailed market analysis directly on the platform. A special place in the OKX ecosystem is occupied by its native token, OKB, which grants users access to a variety of privileges. Token holders receive discounts on fees, can participate in exclusive promotions, and even invest in promising projects through the OKX Jumpstart platform. But even if you are not an experienced trader, OKX offers convenient tools to simplify trading. For example, the copy trading feature allows you to follow the strategies of successful traders, and the integrated trading bots help automate the trading process. Additionally, OKX is actively developing the decentralized finance DeFi sector, offering users participation in various investment products, including liquid staking and farming. Register on OKX via the link in the description and use the promo code to receive additional bonuses. 2nd place, BingX. BingX is another cryptocurrency exchange that, since its launch in 2018, has focused on innovative features and user-friendliness. One of the platform's main features is copy trading, a unique opportunity for users to follow professional traders and automatically replicate their trades. This is especially useful for beginners who are just starting to navigate the world of trading but want to see immediate results. Another strong point of BingX is the flexibility of registration. Unlike many other platforms, mandatory verification is not required here, allowing users to start trading more quickly. Additionally, BingX offers an attractive bonus system for new users. By joining the platform, you can receive bonuses up to 5,000 USDT, which can be used to cover fees or test the platform. And if you want to try trading risk-free, you can use a demo account, which is also a great advantage. The exchange supports over 500 trading pairs and offers flexible trading tools, including spot and futures trading, as well as P2P transactions. Thanks to high liquidity, users can execute trades quickly and with minimal slippage. Furthermore, BingX is developing social trading features, allowing users not only to copy trades, but also to share experiences, discuss strategies, and receive advice from more experienced members of the community. This makes the platform an excellent choice for those looking to learn and grow in the world of crypto trading. Register on BingX right now through the link in the description and enter the promo code to receive additional bonuses. 1st place, MEXC. MEXC is a centralized cryptocurrency exchange that began its operations in 2018 and has since gained widespread popularity among traders worldwide. The platform especially attracts users due to its vast selection of assets, over 1,500 cryptocurrencies, making it one of the most versatile platforms for trading. Here, you can find not only major digital assets, but also promising tokens that are just beginning to gain popularity. What truly sets MEXC apart from its competitors is its high trading flexibility. The platform offers leverage up to 200, making it an excellent choice for experienced traders willing to take on risk. Beginners can take advantage of the copy trading feature, which allows them to automatically duplicate the trades of successful traders, significantly easing the trading process and reducing the likelihood of errors. But beyond trading, MEXC offers various tools for passive income. Users can participate in staking, where they can lock their assets and earn rewards, as well as invest in new projects through the Kickstarter platform and MEXC Launchpad. This makes the exchange not just a trading platform, but a full-fledged ecosystem where everyone can find the right tool for themselves. Additionally, the platform offers a wide range of orders, including limit, market, and stop orders, allowing traders to select the most suitable strategy. MEXC's high liquidity makes it an excellent choice for both long-term investors and active traders who want to profit from short-term fluctuations. For user convenience, MEXC offers both a web version of the platform and a mobile app, available for iOS and Android. This allows traders to stay connected and respond quickly to market changes. Furthermore, the exchange is actively developing its affiliate program, offering rewards to users who refer new clients. Join MEXC right now by registering through the link in the description. Enter the promo code on the screen and receive additional bonuses. We have reviewed the top 5 cryptocurrency exchanges that will help you trade and invest with comfort and security. Remember, the choice of platform depends on your goals, whether it's active trading, long-term investments, or simply buying your first cryptocurrency. Don't miss the opportunity to take advantage of the bonuses and promo codes in the description below the video. It's a great start for getting to know your chosen exchange. But that's not all. If you want to stay updated on current signals, discuss the crypto market with like-minded people, and receive valuable content, join our Telegram channel and trading chat. Here you'll find support, insights, and ready-to-use trading ideas. The link is in the description. If you have any questions or would like to share your experience, feel free to write in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell to not miss new videos about the world of cryptocurrencies. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episodes.